I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you tell if your workflow is making simple videos feel unnecessarily expensive to produce? Here's the fastest test. Compare the video's complexity to the number of decisions, handoffs, and revision rounds it requires. If it's a simple Q&A commentary clip or straightforward list video, but it still needs a big brief, multiple approvals, custom visuals, and 2 or 3 edit rounds, your workflow is overbuilt. My rule is this: simple videos should live in a default lane. That means 1 clear brief, 1 script pass, 1 edit pass, template-based packaging, and only limited custom assets. If the process for a basic video looks almost the same as your process for a flagship video, that's the problem. I usually check 3 things. First, handoff count. More than 2 or 3 people touching a simple video is a red flag. Second, revision depth. If revisions are about taste instead of clarity, the workflow is too expensive. Third, asset sensitivity. Are you spending time making things the viewer barely notices? This is where a workflow layer like Satura helps, because you can route simple videos through a lighter template instead of forcing every upload through the same production machine. Simple video, simple route. Save the heavy process for videos that actually earn it.